Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix liquid leaking under the mixing bowl on your THERMOMIX TM7. If the liquid is leaking under your mixing bowl, that indicates an issue with the mixing bowl itself. So we should either try reassembling the bowl or replacing the sealing ring under the knife. Let's disassemble the bowl to see that first. So when I take the ball off, I can find this switch on the left side, and when I switch it to the left, I can now remove the knife. Besides the knife, I can remove the whole mixing bowl out of the insulation cover, and then inspect whether, make sure that the hole on the inside is still in shape. It should look like that, like visible here. Ensure that there's nothing weird happening, no cracks, no holes, of course, and then look on the mixing knife. Remove the sealing ring, as that may cause an issue. It's easily replaceable. I don't think it's expensive also. When you take it off, inspect for any cracks or creases. Also, you can do a bend test, just gently bend it and see if it returns to shape. If it doesn't, or if it has cuts, creases, or it's like in very weird texture, then you should replace it to a new one. Put the new one on. And now let's talk about how to properly assemble your bowl to prevent issues. So you should insert the bowl into the insulation cover first with this black stripe facing the handle, so that this little notch right here is exactly in the center of the handle. It should not rotate once it's in, and then you should put the mixing knife inside. Now there are these like 3 notches there, this one, and this one, and they should align with the 3 deeper cutouts on the hole. So if I put it in incorrectly, it'll be very wiggly, but if I twist it a little bit, I mean lift it a little bit, then twist it, then you can see it goes in correctly, and now all you need to do is lock the bowl. You will need to use a bit of force to turn it all the way to the right as far as it goes, and then put the bowl back into your base. Or what I would also recommend is actually trying to fill it with water and see if after filling it with water, if it leaks. If it doesn't, then you can begin to use it. If there's any issues further, you may need to contact the after sales service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.